Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can invert colors on Android or how you can turn on the color inversions on Android. So here you can start by going to the settings of your phone and then just use this search bar to easily find the color inversion option, this one, or you can find it under the settings, shortcuts and accessibility, and find the color and motions menu. So let's tap on this and you can see here the color inversion is currently off, and if you want to turn it on, you can just simply click on this. And now if you turn on the color inversion, it will turn light screen dark and also turns dark screen light. So you can just use this. You need to keep in mind that colors will change in media and images, and the color inversion works on all apps, and to display a dark background, a dark theme can be used instead. So let's turn this on. And now you can see from before the theme is dark, now it turns into light. And let's see on the other apps, you can see at the home screen, so my home screen will become like this. It will just, like, I don't know, like a dark glowing in the dark like this. You can see I like this one, so my apps looks the color looks pop ups. You can also here, let's try open Instagrams to see the color. You can see the icon is also change, also the photo on my Instagram. Now all of the photos is in. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.